gonna join me for the video? Okay, she's sleeping. Thanks for joining my video. This is RegEdited and I'm Reggie. So what did my mom and my partner and my friends and my colleagues all think about when it comes down to the fasting lifestyle, or OMAD? You know, I started back over about a year and a half ago and some change. And at the beginning, hey, a lot of people didn't understand it. They thought I was starving myself. They were worried and concerned for me. And I think that was really funny at the beginning. It almost got to the point where I was almost worried for myself as well, and questioning myself and thinking, am I doing the right thing by starting this fasting lifestyle? And eating one meal a day, yes, it's a big change for most people. For me, it didn't take very long for me to get used to. As you've seen in my past videos, it's been maybe a month to really get used to that lifestyle. I'm pretty much an extremist, and I never was a real breakfast eater, so really I was only eating 2 meals a day, which they call OMAD. So as time went on, it just became part of my lifestyle. Now, some of my friends, I've asked if they want to do it, and this is kind of the answer they gave me.
It works for you, but I gained 3 pounds the first time I tried it for 24 hours. I can't handle the fast.
Well, I think as far as fasting goes, oh my God, more power to you, because I can't do it.
Started thinking, you know what, maybe I should just keep it to myself and be a little more personal. What I would have done if I had known this from the beginning is I would have kept it to myself and just went on about my day. And if I had a lunch to do for work, or with a friend, or someone is asking me to have a lunch with them, because usually I only eat dinner, I would just go ahead and do that, because I would have the flexibility in an OMAD lifestyle. For me, I was being very strict on my schedule. And so I thought, you know, I have to eat dinner between 4 and 6, no later than. I had a 2-hour eating window, which I still do. But I was very strict on myself at the beginning, and even till now. But now it really is very flexible. When I have a special event or something I want to do, I just do it and don't worry about it. And you get back right on your regular routine the next day. And the great thing about it is that the next day you can start over, even if you messed up. So it really wasn't a biggie. So update to now, a year and a half later, basically, what are my friends' reactions and my partner's reactions? Well, they're so used to my schedule, they really have become very considerate of what and when I'm going to eat. And basically they kind of catered to my schedule, and they said, oh, you don't eat lunch, let's have dinner instead. And I appreciate that. But of course, I'm flexible too, so I will definitely bend to their schedule when you don't really eat with someone on a regular basis. With my partner, as he would say, well, we really only eat together at the same time once a week, which is our date night. And you know, that really isn't true. It's just that he has a different work schedule from mine, and because I eat from home and I work from home, I tend to eat around the time my mom eats, because I'm starting to smell food, you know, around 4 o'clock. So I usually eat between 5 and 6, you know, just enough time to, you know, get my work done and then prepare my meal. Now my partner may get in later, and maybe 6, 7 o'clock. By then I'm really starving to death. So I try to wait it out and wait for him to come, but if he doesn't, then he just has to eat a little later than me. And so yes, we do eat on our date night together, and that's why it's a must every week. And we make sure that we get together a couple times a week so we can eat on that same schedule. So that's probably the only thing that's been maybe a little bit of an adjustment, but at the end of the day, everybody's happy with where we are. The other thing I would say is that now, since doing this for so long and being consistent and really taking it seriously, people also take my lifestyle seriously. They respect my beliefs. And that's all we can ask for, because I respect their beliefs as well. If they want to eat multiple times, it's totally fine. I might shake my head quietly behind the scenes. They just don't want to do it. They don't want to do it. It's too much for them. Nevertheless, I can't be judging their lifestyle as well. If you want to eat multiple times a day, that's totally fine. Whatever works for you. Now, from a spiritual standpoint, as you may know from past videos, I really became more spiritually connected, a better relationship with God by fasting. So I would do those periodic extended fasts throughout the month. Maybe twice a month I would do a 48-hour. Sometimes I would do a 72-hour, but it's gotten more difficult as time gone on because I really didn't have much weight to lose anymore. It was just about maintenance. But on the spiritual level, there are certain times of the year that I will fast and be extended, and it really doesn't have to be anyone's business. At the end of the day, I just do it. People don't even realize you're fasting and just carry on with your usual duties in your day. So what's changed since starting the fasting lifestyle to doing it much later, now a year and a half? I guess the credibility is there. It really is. People see that you're consistent and you're doing it, and you lead by example. So they see a lot of credibility in that. And then they see the benefits of fasting and OMAD lifestyle. So they see that mental wellness is a lot better, a little more balanced. And yes, we always have challenges in life, and our emotions are up and down, and depending on your stress in your life, you know, whether you're caregiving like myself, or whether it's from work or from a relationship, there's a lot of different ways that you can have a stressful life. And so, yeah, you know, you may be up and down emotionally, but what I found with the fasting and the OMAD lifestyle, that's kind of become a little more even keel, if you will. So even keel meaning I'm finding more peace to react to certain things a little better in life. And that's what it's taught me in fasting. The other benefit of it is that people see the results is they realize that I never get sick. Go figure. I don't. My immune system is high. I'm not getting colds. I'm not getting flu bugs when I'm around people with flu and other germs throughout the seasons. I just find that I'm not getting sick. So we'll knock on wood. I don't have any wood, but you know what I mean. So far, so good on keeping the immune system up. So people notice that you're always pretty much healthy, and you start to glow, and it shows in your skin. Your skin gets clearer. You look better. It's all the secret of anti-aging, right? So you just do it by example, and people will notice that there's a lot of credibility to living the fasting lifestyle. So the question is, how is your circle, your community, your friends, your family, your colleagues, how are they reacting to you living the OMAD lifestyle? And what do they say? You know, is this something that specifically stands out to you that may bother you or makes you smile? I love to get those comments down below, so please do. And remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Always appreciate it. So remember, caregiving begins with you, and you're the only one that can take care of yourself. And don't worry about what other people think. You're doing the right thing for yourself. Have a great one.
You can't do that. That's baloney. Quit doing it. Even the cat doesn't want you to do it.